something on sporty bet, like using cowries to detect something on sporty bet, and it worked perfectly. So you know, as guys, I'm not selfish, so I say let me just share this guy with you guys. Let me share this with you guys. Okay, you know I'm not selfish, so it worked perfectly. Actually, like I actually deposit money 1,000 in the account, and I tried this particular thing using cowry, and it works. I said let me share with you guys. Maybe I can use this to put smile on some of your face. Okay, so what you just need is just a cowry. Then if you don't have sporty bet account, this is sporty bet. Okay, if you don't have sporty bet account, okay, try get sporty bet account. Then deposit at least 1,000 naira on your sporty bet account. Now the method I'm going to use is what I'm going to do is spin die bottle. No, there's a game here, look at it. I actually downloaded to God and man, I actually put 1,000 naira in this account. So I have played this game. I have 7,700. I say let me show you guys. And the funny part of it is that I was recording, hoping that I'm recording, or knowing that it was not actually recording. I actually click on record camera. I thought I have been recording, or knew that I have not been recording. So you guys would have seen how I got this 7,000 naira. Meanwhile, I want to start everything afresh again. Since it was not recorded, all you just need the cowry. If you can get the one at the back is open, it will be more better. If you cannot, use anyone. Okay, guys, this is it. I want to once you get sporty bet, click on this spin die bottle. Yes, this spin die bottle. You click on this spin die bottle. Click on spin die bottle. Okay, so after you have clicked on this spin die bottle, so allow it to load. Just watch and see what I'm going to do now. You guys are going to tag me. Just as some of you, when somebody teach you something on the channel, it works for you, to come back and give testimony to be lazy, to be laziness. So most of you will come to my WhatsApp and give me the testimony. Some of you coming to my WhatsApp and give me the testimony. Why don't you drop it on the comment section so that this will motivate other people to try it and see how effective this particular thing works as well. Sure, water. Okay, please, the game is loading. Okay, I want the game to load. Sorry, my phone has locked again. Okay, I want to show you guys something. The game is loaded. Just watch and see what I'm going to do. They play. That's it. They say knowledge is power. As long as you have knowledge, you have everything you want. Okay, just be watching what I'm going to do now. It's still loading. Loading. Just watch. Maybe the network is kind of delayed today, but let's see what we got. Now this is it. Game has all come up. This game, see, I actually put 1,000 naira here. Now you can see I have 7,000 plus here. I thought that the thing was recording, or no, the thing is not recording. Now this is very simple. This game you only choose up or down. Now this cowry, I will use cowry to detect. So once I throw the cowry face up, that means I will choose up. So once I throw the cowry face down, that means I will choose down. So wherever the cowry faces, like pointed to, that will be the direction of this bottle. Now up or down this bottle. Now let me put the mouse so that it can face where the bottle is facing. Up or down. If you can put it on the ground to be more accurate, up or down. Then I'll throw it. Now you see he pointed what? Down. So since he pointed down, so I'm going to choose down on this game. Now he pointed down, right? So since he pointed down, I'm going to choose down. Now watch and see. You can see now, but that's how I play this game, Sizo. I'm actually playing with other donor now. I wish 100 now. So if you play with bigger money, you can win. Then I'll click on you again. Okay. Then I will see check up or down. People are waiting for me. Okay. So I really don't want to waste more time here. Up or down. See, but I'll see click on this one. Now like this number. Once I do like this now, I'll see ask up or down. Then I'll throw my cowry back again. Now, here the mouse is pointed down, so I will choose down. my battery is low, so I will choose down again. So let's see what we have. You can see, can you see this? Can you see this? Now I'll click on new again. I just want to prove to you guys something. Up or down, up or down. So anywhere this is faces, that will be my distance. Up or down, up or down. You see now, but then I'll throw it again. Now we have something here which is up. Okay, so I'll press up. Oh, instead of up, now you see it's inside up, but instead up and I press down. We see I did not win. I was supposed to press up, but I mistakenly press down. You can see how this thing work, guys. It is not by coincidence. So do this, try it and get back to me. Oh, there is Zuzu. I thought they worry, Abby. I know, say they worry.